Hi, my name is Matthew Smith. I'm a multivariable calculus student at the Belmont Hill School and proud 5 out of 6 score on the latest New England Math League competition. Today I'm tasked with explaining the concept of limits to a 7th grader. Okay, sitting with me today is Daniel Cho, a tenacious 10-year-old who skipped 3 grades to join the class of 2023. Welcome, Daniel. Okay, Daniel, so do you know anything about limits?
Yes.
What do you know about limits?
It's like the boundary of what one can go up to.
Yeah, exactly. So you can imagine some scenario when you have someone walking from one wall to another, and with every step they halve the distance. So after their first step, they're halfway across the room. After their second step, they're 3/4 of the way across the room. So notice how these steps keep getting progressively smaller, and how there's always a little bit of distance left over before the person reaches the wall. Now, David, do you think the person's ever going to reach the wall?
It is Daniel actually, and I think they will not.
Yeah, exactly. So because there's always a little bit of distance left over, exactly half the distance left to the wall, the person's never going to reach the wall. There's always going to be progressively smaller and smaller distance. But we could imagine if the person kept doing this forever and forever, that distance would get so small that the person would, in effect, reach the wall. So we could say they're approaching the wall, and that's what we can call the limit. The limit is the wall for the person that's walking, because they're approaching it.
Oh, that makes sense.
Hey guys, it's Austin from Chalkboard Math Tutorials. If you like the video, smash that like button below, check out our channel and subscribe.